Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to check Bluevine credit line eligibility. Now, before applying for funding, it's smart to confirm if your business meets Bluevine's eligibility requirements. This saves time and helps you to prepare the right documents. Here's how to check your eligibility. So first step is to visit bluevine.com and navigate to the business line of credits page. Scroll down to the eligibility requirements section. Here you can review the basics. Your business must typically be at least 6 months old, also must earn at least $10,000 in monthly revenue, as well as have a personal credit score of 625 or higher. Now, if you want a personalized check, you can just click check eligibility or get started and then enter your business details, including legal name, industry revenue, and time in business. Provide your personal details for the soft credit pool and then submit the form. Bluevine will instantly let you know whether you're pre-qualified for a credit line. And that's it. You will know upfront if you meet Bluevine standard before applying. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.